So last time, we went over the difference between prime and composite numbers. If you remember, a prime number is any whole number that is greater than 1 that has only 2 factors, and those factors are 1 and itself. Factors are just the numbers that are multiplied together to equal a given number. A composite number is any number greater than 1 that has multiple factors. For example, the number 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6, because 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. Composite numbers are called composite for a reason. It's because they are composed of prime numbers. What does that mean? Here, I'll show you. Let's look at all the prime numbers out there that are less than 20. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. These are all prime numbers because the only factors of these numbers are 1 in itself. But let's look at composite numbers less than 20 and see their factors. Take the number 9. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. But if you look at the prime numbers that make up 9, you can see that the prime factors of 9 will be 3 times 3. Look at the number 4. 4 can be broken down into a prime number of 2 times 2, as 2 is a prime number. The process of breaking down composite numbers into their prime factors is called prime factorization. Let's go over the prime factorization process using something they call the factor tree. The process is a bit intimidating when you first see it without an explanation, but I promise you it's really not that bad. Let's take 18. What are 2 factors that equal 18? Well, 2 times 9 comes to mind. Using 2 and 9 as our factors, we can use the factor tree to write down 2 times 9 as the first branch in our tree. 2 is a prime number, but 9 is still a composite. What prime numbers are factors of 9? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. Our last branch of our tree is made up of all prime numbers, so now we know we're done. So you would write the prime factorization of 18 as being 2 times 3 times 3. That works too, right? 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. Now, what if you wanted to look at 18 from a different angle? Say you wanted to start out with the factors of 18 being 6 times 3. Well, 3 is a prime number, 6 is not. What prime numbers can be multiplied together to equal 6? Well, 2 and 3. Adding our next branch to our tree, you will see that we have gotten all the way down to prime numbers. So we will write the prime factorization of 18 as being 2 times 3 times 3. It is the same answer as when we started out with 2 times 9 as our factors. If you wanted to get really fancy, you could also write the prime factorization of 18 as being 2 times 3 squared, as there are 2 3's in our prime factorization. One final example. Let's take 44. What 2 numbers multiplied together equal 44? To make it easy, we know 2 times 22 is equal to 44. We write down our factors here, and we know that 2 is a prime, so we move on to the 22. 2 times 11 equals 22, and both 2 and 11 are prime numbers. So the prime factorization of 44 is 2 times 2 times 11. We know that's right because 2 times 2 is 4, times 11 is 44. If you want some more examples with answers on prime factorization, head on over to my website at improvemath.com/additional resources and snag a free worksheet. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.